As most pet owners know, unless you're the owner of one of these breeds that don't shed, the downside to owning a pet is their near constant shedding. Getting pet hair off your clothes, carpet, furniture and out of your car can become an all-consuming challenge. But the right pet hair remover can make the job a lot simpler. You might even be able to wear that black shirt again. We purchased 21 pet hair remover tools and tested them in our New York lab, the lab, evaluating their performance, design, and ease of use. A group of volunteer testers used these products on chairs, clothing, pillowcases, and flooring that was covered in synthetic cat hair to see how each pet hair cleaner performed on a variety of surfaces. There are many options for accessible pet hair removers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I guided a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap pet hair removers from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush. The Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush is our best overall pick because its unique three-sided design offers several ways to clean in a compact ergonomic shape. Our tester was able to quickly pick up embedded hair. After just a few swipes, it easily pulled embedded hair from surfaces, our tester noted, describing the satisfying performance of the Analan. The multi-sided Analan has 3 different serration sizes, with the widest serrations designed to allow for quick scraping of larger surface areas. Tighter serrations help snag hair from stubborn surfaces where pet hair sticks most. You can also clean in sequence, attacking the same area with gradually finer serrations to pick up big messes, then capture the excess. The corners can be used to wedge pet hairs out of crevices. Number 2. Evriholder FURemover Pet Hair Removal Broom. This cross between a broom, rake, and squeegee is an essential item in your pet hair removal toolkit, according to our tester. It works on hardwood, tile, carpet, and vinyl to help remove the pet fur with a double-sided broom and squeegee head. On smooth floors, it works better than a traditional broom and dustbin because it traps the fur in its teeth, but be wary of stray hairs that may not easily come off its teeth. After cleaning, it did a great job at removing hair, our tester said. When using it on a high pile rug, the hair came up in a ball that was easy to pick up. On a more flat surface, it worked pretty well too. The telescopic handle adjusts from 3 to 5 feet, making it easy to sweep under your bed, sofa, and other hard-to-reach places. Number 3. ChomChom Pet Hair Remover. When you need to clean pet hair off of your furniture or blankets in a hurry, the ChomChom roller should be your go-to. It looks like a lint roller, but instead of sticky tape, you'll find textured red fabric underneath the hood. Roll it over your intended target a few times, and the pet hair will almost instantly disappear. I was impressed at how easy and efficient the product is to use, and there's no need to stop and remove a sticky sheet every few swipes, like with a traditional lint roller, our tester said. This roller is 7.5 inches wide, so you can cover even large areas fairly quickly. Number 4. Uproot Cleaner Pro Reusable Pet Hair Remover. A similar style of this reusable pet hair remover tool went viral on TikTok earlier this year for a good reason. Our tester said this tool picked up hair quickly, and it easily piled into a bowl off the tool. This tool's scored edge makes it a great option for high pile and density carpets, where pet hairs are easily trapped. Our tester also noted this tool was comfortable to use, and the double edge offered more flexibility in how you can hold it. While Uproot Clean has many tools designed for different pet hair cleaning needs, we found that this tool was great at cleaning crevices. It could easily catch hair between a baseboard and carpet, or between couch cushions. We would not recommend using this tool on delicate or fuzzy knit fabrics, as they could be snagged. Not to worry though, as our tester said that it did not snag more durable materials, such as upholstery and carpet. Number 5. Lilly Brush Pro Pet Hair Toolkit. Cleaning and detailing a car's interior is already a hassle, and it can be an even bigger project if you have furry passengers. This pro detailing kit by the Lilly Brush store makes removing pet hair from your car completely hassle-free. The wide detailer tool allows you to quickly swipe pet hair off of seats and floor mats. The finger strap also gives you added security while working and makes it more comfortable to grip the tool. Our tester said she loved how the detailer tool had both rounded and sharp corners, so that she could clean multiple surface types and angles. The crevice tool in this kit is great for those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies between and under seats. It has an extra long 14-inch handle, so you can reach deep into cracks. Keep in mind our tester did say it was a bit awkward to maneuver with such a long handle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.